Did you know that tossing potato peels in the trash means throwing away a powerful, all-natural fertilizer your garden will love? Stick around until the end. Once you see what potato peels can do, you'll never throw them out again. Potato peels are rich in essential nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, iron, and small amounts of nitrogen, all vital for healthy plant growth, stronger roots, and vibrant blooms. Instead of discarding them, chop the peels into small pieces and bury them 2 to 3 inches deep in the soil, right near the base of your plants. As they break down, potato peels release nutrients slowly and directly into the root zone, nourishing your plants exactly where it counts. This technique is especially beneficial for nutrient-hungry plants like tomatoes, peppers, roses, and fruit trees. You'll start noticing lush green leaves, brighter flowers, and even tastier fruits. All without reaching for chemical fertilizers. It's completely natural, totally safe, and absolutely free. Plus, it boosts soil structure, adds organic matter, and attracts earthworms, giving your garden a long-term health boost. So next time you peel a potato, don't throw away the good stuff. Feed it to your plants and watch them thrive. If you enjoyed this gardening tip, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, powerful garden hacks.